we didn't call ourselves buyer's agents, but that's what we were. We did a lot of investment stock, so a lot of new builds of duplexes, dual keys, new houses, trying to find high yielding products for our investors. And then we also we're in the space of knockdown rebuilds when that was still quite achievable on the Sunshine Coast here. So I spent a lot of time on realestate.com looking for land, looking for houses for knockdown rebuilds, dealing with clients, talking investment strategies around property. So all of the things that I do today, I did in this role. But as I said, we just didn't call ourselves buyer's agents.